Also, former Mombasa Senator Hassan Omar has unleashed his harshest criticism of opposition presidential candidate Raila Odinga and his running mate Kalonzo Musyoka, and announced his departure from the National Super Alliance NASA. He accused Raila and Kalonzo of being ethnic chiefs capable of being bought with a dime, and declared that a Raila presidency with the Hassan Ali Joho as Mombasa governor would be equal to chaos. Omar was speaking in Mombasa earlier today.
Whether we are going to take any active role in the 17th election, and I say it here without contradiction, if we are taking that active role, it will not be to the benefit of my elder and the man I have loved over the years, Raila Odinga, because I think it will be chaotic to have a Mombasa where him as president when the governor is who is the person right now. We love you, but unfortunately or fortunately, we love Mombasa more. It is not tenable. It is not tenable for us to have serikali ya mtu kutamba. Kuingia mlango wa nyuma, na kutoka mlango wa mbele, na kutoka na madirishani. So jamaa nsema hivyo katika jukwaa. So we cannot have Joho and Raila leading the various arms of the executive at the same time. So maybe that's why I said I will not be supporting him. I'll be not casting my vote for him.